What is DeFi? Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we will be talking about DeFi. DeFi is the short form of decentralized finance. Let us explore and learn about various aspects about DeFi. What is DeFi? Decentralized finance is a new financial system built on secure distributed ledgers, similar to those used by cryptocurrencies. The systems eliminates banks and institutions' control over money, financial goods, and services. This very nature of DeFi makes it very desirable. However, there are a few more key features of DeFi that one, as a client, needs to know about. Key features of DeFi. Many people are attracted to DeFi for various reasons, including it does away with the fees that banks and other financial institutions charge for utilizing their services. Instead of depositing your money in a bank, you store it in a secure digital wallet. It is accessible to everyone with an internet connection and does not require authorization. Benefits of DeFi. Let us now talk about the benefits of DeFi. There are 5 main benefits of DeFi. First, you are not required to apply for anything or open an account. You can gain access by establishing a wallet. You do not need to enter your name, email address, or other personal information if you are a pseudonym. You may relocate your assets anywhere, at any time, without obtaining permissions, waiting for a lengthy transfer to complete, or paying exorbitant costs. Interest rates and prices are often updated and can be much greater than typical Wall Street. All parties involved may observe the whole set of transactions. What are the differences between Bitcoin and DeFi? Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that operates on its blockchain and is used as a store of value. However, DeFi refers to financial services built on public blockchains such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. For example, it allows users to earn interest or borrow against their cryptocurrency holdings. DeFi consists of several apps around financial services such as trading, borrowing, lending, and derivatives. Working of DeFi. DeFi provides financial services using cryptocurrency and smart contracts, eliminating the need for intermediaries such as guarantors. It helps in lending, obtaining a loan instantaneously, making peer-to-peer trades without a broker, saving cryptocurrency, and accruing a higher interest rate a bank. Purchasing derivatives such as stock options and future contracts are examples of such services. Users employs dApps, the majority of which can be found on the Ethereum network, to allow peer-to-peer commercial transactions. The more popular DeFi services and dApps are coins, stablecoins, tokens, digital wallets, DeFi mining. DeFi is open source, which means that protocols and apps are potentially available for people to investigate and improve. As a result, by designing their dApps, users may mix and combine protocols to uncover new potential combinations. Applications of DeFi. The following are the most common types of DeFi applications. The first is decentralized exchanges, or DEX. Online exchanges allow users to trade one currency for another, as US dollar for Bitcoin or Ether for DAI. DEX are a popular sort of exchange that links users directly so that they may trade cryptocurrencies with one another without entrusting their money to an intermediary. The second is stablecoins. To steady its price, a cryptocurrency is linked to a non-cryptocurrency asset. Third are loan platforms. These platforms employ smart contracts to replace intermediaries in the lending process, such as banks. Fourth is wrapped Bitcoin. It is a method of transmitting Bitcoin to the Ethereum network that allows it to be utilized directly in Ethereum's DeFi mechanism. WBTCs enable users to earn interest on Bitcoin loans made using the decentralized lending networks outlined above. So this is all about DeFis and information related to them. Comment down your views on DeFis and let me know.